In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can fix blurry reels, posts, or stories on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for even more video tutorials like this. Whether your own uploads appear blurry or someone else's might, here's how you can improve the overall quality. Start by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner and then tap the three lines in the top right hand corner to open up the menu, aka the settings and activity for Instagram. Scroll down until you find the section called Your App and Media, which can be located towards the bottom, and look for the section that says Media Quality and open that up. Here, just make sure that you turn off Use Less Mobile Data or Use Less Cellular Data, and then turn on Upload at Highest Quality. So pretty much just copy the settings that you're seeing on the screen right now. This should help improve the clarity of your uploaded reels, your uploaded stories, and your uploaded posts, as well as help you see other people's posts better too. If you have any questions about this, let us know down in the comment section below. We'd be happy to help out. But remember to like and subscribe before leaving this video. Have a good day.